What's going on, everybody? Got this nail in my tire right here. I'm about to use this patch kit right here to set it up. Got everything I need in here. It's got the reamer right here, and the rubber cement and the patches and everything, the tool to put the patch in. And I'm gonna walk y'all through this and see if I can help anyone out on this. All right. So what I just did was I just took the reamer right here and pulled it out with it. I brought it on this edge. Now, depending on where yours is at, I don't know if you'd be able to do it like this, but I took it from this edge and pushed it up. It seemed to be kind of hard right here because I didn't have no leverage, but on this side. So if you can't use the reamer to pull it out, I would say you could use some pliers, maybe some with a sharp end or something like that to pull this out. And it's basically done. You can hear that. This is what was in it. There it is right there. You can hear the air coming out right now. So we'll go to our next step. So what we're going to do is we need to put this reamer in here and clean it out. So we need to jab it in there. Let's see if I can do this. All right, so I got it in there. So I'm gonna go back and forth a few times with it, and then go from there. It's kind of tough to put it in there, but just give it a good push, and it should go in there. All right, so let's see if y'all can see it. All right, so let's see. All right, now I'm going to take one of the patches right here and place it on this, and I'll put it in between this and have it halfway on both sides, and then we'll shove it right in the hole. Also, before I do put it in that hole, this rubber cement, you can actually put this on there and it's supposed to bond it a little bit better. I think that it might work without it, but it's better to maybe have this. So we're going to put some of this on it, and then we'll put the patch in. Okay, so let's put some of this on this. I'm just going to dab some on the end like that. Alright, so now I'm going to take this patch, got it in this tool right here, and I'm going to shove it through. I'm not going to go all the way in, I'm just going to go close to the end. I'll show y'all. And there it is, it's in there. So I went in and left a little bit sticking out right there, but I don't want to take no chance on this stuff sticking to the road and pulling out, which I don't think it would, but just to be on the safe side, I'm probably just going to cut that, and I'm going to also rub that rubber cement in to get into the crevices and stuff. So we'll do that real quick. Also, before I do that, now when I pushed this in, it was fairly easy. Well, it was a little tough. I had to push it in, but when I pulled it out, it wasn't no problem. Like, I pushed it in, and then when I pulled it out, it came out fairly good. I just pulled it straight out and it came out. This didn't move at all right here. And so yeah, so that was not too bad. All right, so I just took a box cutter knife and I just cut it right there flush to the tire. And now I might actually put some more of this rubber cement, to be on the safe side. So I just put some more of that rubber cement on the end, and just gonna let that dry up. I think that's it. I think that's all that you need to know. This didn't take no time at all. It's actually surprising. Like, it didn't take no time at all. So yeah, give this a shot if you ever get a hole in your tire, and go from there. Also, a few more tips I'll give y'all when putting this tire back on, and also taking it off in general. Keep in mind that you're going to want to break the lug nuts. And I know some of this is obvious, but there's some people that might just overlook this. Break the lug nuts before you start jacking the tire up so that the tire won't spin when you start to try to, after you have it jacked up and try to brake them, it's going to spin. Make sure you do that. Also, make sure that you tighten them, get them pretty tight before you let the jack back down. Also, this was the main thing I was want to say. I didn't pump up the tire yet. It looks like it's pumped, but it's not pumped. So make sure I'm going to pump the air in the tire after I have it on. See, I got it on now, so I'm good to pump it. But you know, if you didn't jack it up high enough and you pump it up, you might not be able to fit it back into the spot that you had it in. So that's just a way to save you from having to jack it up higher or anything like that. Okay, God bless.